Hi Leos, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for August 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called to use the Butterfly Oracle deck. We do have Celtic Lenormand for a quick message from the universe. Leos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Leos. Towards the final days of July, stepping into August 2021, we have the Nine of Swords. Possibly, responsibilities had weighed you down a bit. The stress could have also affected your health in this time. Interestingly, I think the energy was such that you may have been able to complete a lot. Some respite was certainly on the cards for you. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Strength card. Certainly, there are going to be those minor irritants that could bother you this month. Maybe you need to let go of people whom you no longer need in your life. I think you're also somebody who's going to ignore those clients who want more than their pound of flesh, but then they refuse to pay you well. Influences for this month, Leos, we have the King of Pentacles. I think you will be somebody who's going to promote yourself. Maybe you should apply for a job. Interestingly, in case an interview is lined up, I think you should talk about your previous unhappy situations or unhappy experiences. Perhaps you should narrate your sob story and sway members of the interview panel and back that job, Leos. Gains are definitely going to be there if you're going to capitalize on the same. Interestingly, for Leos, I'm also picking up that there could be somebody who wants to bury the hatchet, who wants to renew contact with you. Maybe you're also dealing with a senior person who is quite wealthy and affluent. First 10 days of the month, we have the Six of Cups. Certainly, Leos, in this time you may be overwhelmed or you may be gripped by nostalgia. Maybe there could also be disagreements with someone, so this could lead to an estrangement in a relationship. It seems that permanent damage has been done. Maybe you should also weigh your words very carefully. Try to be more polite in conversations. Perhaps your harsh words are going to rub people the wrong way. Incidentally, in this time, Leos, you could also be somebody who's going to play the peacemaker. I think you can also make some gains through your contacts or through your acquaintances. Maybe you could also be a bit surprised because preferential treatment is meted out to you. Unscheduled work could also come up. Besides, you also have to attend to other tasks. So this means that time is at a premium. Maybe there'll also be those delays, but you should take heart from the fact that whatever you set out to do is achieved. Possibly assistance could come in from other colleagues as well. Many of you could also be a bit exasperated because your boss overloads you with work. He also realizes that in case there's a better opportunity, then you'll be quick to pack up and leave. Nevertheless, Leos, in case you're looking for better opportunities, and you should always have something in hand before you take that decision to quit. I think while dealing with clients or while dealing with a person who is trying to sell his wares to you, then you should read between the lines. Maybe this person is also going to try to take you for a ride, but then there's also somebody who's watching your back this month, so this is a blessing in itself. The next 10 days of August, that is towards 11th to 20th August, we have the Five of Cups. Again, this seems to be a recurring theme. Perhaps there's some sense of loss because this lady here, she seems to be in grief. Leos, I think you should keep your emotions in check. Maybe you should avoid meddlesome behavior, or maybe you should detach yourself from certain situations. Perhaps you have the best interest of the other person, but then the other person thinks that you're poking your nose in as a bear. Maybe there could also be mistrust in a relationship. That is why you could be in mourning. Professionally also, you may be a bit distracted this month. Maybe you are dealing with those interruptions. That is why you could lose focus. Incidentally, in this time, you could also find new clients coming your way. Again, in this time also, you may find that the boss is overloading you with work. He expects you to do the task right away. However, you should be grateful because there are those colleagues who will help you out. I think you will also be better served if you don't overreact to situations or if you don't assume too much. Towards the final days of August, that is towards 21st to 31st August, we have the Page of Cups. Certainly you will be sought after for your words of wisdom, but then there's also an air of detachment which is surrounding you. You may do your utmost for your family members, but then your family members may think that you're a bit like a narcissist, you're in your own world. I think you will defend yourself by enumerating your contributions towards the family, though you don't want to do so. Sometimes, you could also be a bit exhausted and tired because you have to be the caregiver. I think you're also somebody who's looking for an increase in your wages, and if it is denied, then you will definitely look for greener pastures. Incidentally, your superior is also somebody who is going to acknowledge your talents, but then she could do so behind closed doors and not to your face. Perhaps she wants to maintain her authority over you. While dealing with clients also in this period, I think you should be firm. You should first extract your dues and then proceed with the task. In this month, Leos, you have to adjust to the changes that your boss makes. It could be a bit frustrating, but then you have to do the needful. Maybe time will also be spent writing official mails. I think stress could also come about because the management or the administrator wants to have a word with your clients. You may wonder whether positive feedback will come your way. With respect to your love life, Leos, we have the card regret. Certainly, there's some kind of regret and remorse in a relationship. Throughout this reading, we have the Five of Cups, the Six of Cups, and even the Page of Cups. So, in some kind of loss is there in your relationship this month. Perhaps you're realizing that it is better to walk away from a connection. But the person you are dealing with does have feelings of regret. I think you're also somebody who's going to disappoint your admirers. Maybe an admirer wants to take the relationship further, but then you're going to leave him heartbroken. Incidentally, this month, people could also play Cupid, perhaps your relatives, but then you may be disinclined. Perhaps they think that your idea of a perfect match is very far-fetched. Interestingly, Leos, there could also be the possibility of a work-related romance. Possibly you're dealing with someone from your past, and this person wants to maintain his connection with you, but then you could close the doors on this relationship. Maybe you think there are limitations on account of your social background, or perhaps the family pressure could be there on you. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you will be gripped by nostalgia. I think you want to talk to this person or express your feelings as well. Perhaps many a times you could be cyber stalking this person. Those of you who are in an unacknowledged relationship, sometimes you may feel as though you're always the one who's making the effort. Maybe you think it's pointless to initiate the conversation because this person is disinterested in you. Leos, you may have noticed that in this card as well, this man is covering his face, and this lady here seems to be doing the same thing as well. So maybe you feel that sense of loss, or the feeling of remorse is there. Maybe you want to hide your face from the world as well because of the relationship not going anywhere. Some of you may also want to reach out to an ex. Maybe you have good intentions or you want to help him, but then you will stop short. Romancing, Leos, I think you will share every little detail with your person. Perhaps you will open up about your past life as well. Maybe you will discuss work-related strategies. Nevertheless, this month you could also find opposition to your love life. Maybe your loved ones aren't happy with your growing fondness for this person whom they despise. Basically, there are going to be those prying eyes, and you need to be very watchful of your relationship. Married Leos, I think you are going to be dealing with a very querulous or temperamental partner, so it would be best to maintain your cool. I think there could be an heated exchange with your person. Incidentally, your spouse could also talk about family foes who are out there to harm you or to harm the family. Maybe you should let your spouse know about your whereabouts in case you're venturing out of the house. You should let him know about the particulars. Basically, you could be a bit anxious about your security. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you're dealing with a suspicious partner. Marital infidelity could also be an issue here. I think there are those times when you could want to walk out of this relationship as well. From Lenormand, we do have this card, Paths. I think there's a decision which you need to make, or maybe there are choices and options before you. Could be a plan A or a plan B in store. Maybe you have plans, but you need to know whether you should take the alternative path or whether you should take the road less taken. Basically, I think Leos, you should realize that you can't control everything, but then you can always do your best. Largely, it is your path to travel. The last card in your reading, Leos, is Sobriety from the Butterfly Oracle deck. Possibly, Leos, you are becoming more aware and sensitive to your body's needs. Maybe you want to let go of those unhealthy food habits or addictions. You could also benefit if you join those support groups to get rid of the addictions that you're facing. This card also talks about a detox program that you should implement in your life, or maybe that you're also dealing with somebody who needs assistance with respect to his addictions. Certainly, you're being called upon to heal yourself or help others gain sobriety this month. I hope, Leos, you liked your reading. This is Ciao with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comments section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.